Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I am going to explore four products that will revolutionize your workflow and make your team more productive than ever before. These products include Reclaim AI, Catalog, Scale, and Regi.ai. So let's dive in and see how they can help you and your team achieve better results. So the first product which I'm going to discuss is the Reclaim AI. So this smart AI scheduling automation app is designed to help busy teams find the best time for meetings, tasks, and habits and breaks. It defines no meeting days and focus time, integrates your task list with your calendar, assign and prioritize your work uh, across your teams, and even auto schedules meeting with your clients and with your users and across your team. So Reclaim AI has been massively adopted, and it has shown to increase productivity by the 41% and reduce unnecessary meeting times by 2.3 per weeks. So it has been a very effective tool for this purpose. So if you want to know more about it, or if you want to explore this uh, tool, you can check their pricing and you can get in touch with them. So okay, the second product which I'm going to discuss is the catalog, and this enterprise intelligence platform is powered by Action Query and an which is an advanced permissions aware AI engine that keeps your data safe, and it offers instant AI upgrades, 24 by 7 operations, quality decisions, and it empowers growth by providing strategic guidance available at the moment's notice. And the catalog has been trusted by the some of the world's top enterprises brands. uh, as you can see that there are many. It is trusted by the Dropbox, GitHub, Microsoft, and many other platforms. There are a lot of them. Okay, so it has the potential to revolutionize the way you and your team make decisions and drive growth. So this is also a very amazing tool. You can also get its demo, and its demo is free for everyone. And if you want to know more about it, please leave a comment. I will make a video on its demo how you can use it. So moving to the third one is the Scale.ai, sorry, the Scale app. And it is a powerful platform which is designed to help you make the best models with the best data. Yeah, it leverages your enterprise data and unlocks the value of AI through world class or LHFs. And you can fine tune them, you can make foundation models, you can utilize the foundation data. Also you can use the data generation, model evaluation, safety and alignment. And Scale has pioneered in the data labeling industry by combining AI based techniques with human in the loop, delivering labeled data at unprecedented quality, scalability, and efficiency. So, it is also a very unique tool which can be used. You can see this. You can enter the prompts here, and then you will have a baseline answer, and after that this model will provide you a very smarter way, and it can also help you in writing codes. So this is a very amazing and unique tool for the teams, and it can improve the efficiency of our work environment. So moving to the last one, which is Regi.ai. So this innovative platform is specially designed to help sales teams, and which will then prospect more efficiently. And it offers sales autopilots and sales co-pilot and a range of other features, uh, which will streamline the sales prospecting process and help you close more deals. Regi AI has been shown to reduce the time spent on prospecting by 75% and increased the number of engaged leads by 3%. So which is also a very amazing feature about it. So if you want to know more about it, you can get a demo, and it will definitely help you, and you can use it in your workspace. So I hope you would have liked these four tools. These were the four products that will revolutionize your workflow and help you and your team achieve better results. Be sure to check out each of these products in more detail and see how they can help you improve your productivity and overall performance. Thank you for watching my video. See you all in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.